Stop staring at a blank WordPress page and start building a stunning website in minutes by importing your theme's demo data. First things first, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to the Appearance menu in the left-hand sidebar. You'll usually find an option related to your theme, often just named after the theme itself, or sometimes it might be under a Theme Options or Import submenu. Once you click on your theme's menu, look for a section labeled Demo Import, Sample Data, or something similar. Most well-designed themes will have a dedicated area for this. Here, you should see a list or a carousel of available demo content options. These are pre-built website layouts and content packages designed to give you a head start. Browse through them to find the one that best suits your website's purpose and desired aesthetic. Once you've chosen your desired demo, you'll typically find an Import or Install button next to it. Click this button to initiate the import process. Your theme will now begin downloading and importing all the necessary demo content, including pages, posts, images, widgets, and theme settings. This might take a few moments depending on your internet connection and the size of the demo data. Once the import is complete, you'll usually see a success message. Now, the magic happens. Visit your website's front end to see your new, pre-designed content in action. You'll have a fully populated website with stunning layouts, making it incredibly easy to then customize the text, images, and colors to truly make it your own. This process saves you hours of manual work and gives you professional-like results from the get-go. And that's how you effortlessly import WordPress theme demo data to build your dream website faster.